Have a blessed day to all. To apply word art style, select the text box first. Click the Format tab, Word Art Style group. Select desired word art style group. The selected style appears in the text. The desired style, here you see it's appear, right? To insert a shape, select the Insert tab. Click the Shapes command. Select the drop from the shape from the drop down click the mouse. Drag the mouse until the shape is the desired size. To rotate, resize and rotate the shape, select the shape. Click and drag the sizing handles for desired size. Yes. To rotate the shape, drag the green handle. The shape appears to rotate now. Yes. To apply bevel effect, click Format tab, click Shape Efforts. Move the mouse over bevel effect, select the desired bevel effect there. Yes. The shape appears with desired bevel. To modify bullets color, select the existing bulleted list. On the Home tab, just click the bullets drop down. Then select the bullets and numbering. A dialog box appears. Click the color drop down box. Select the color for the bullets. Then click OK. The bullets appears to be changed there. To modify a numbering list, select the existing numbered list. Then click the bullets drop down arrow. Select bullets and numbering. A dialog box appears. Start at option 1. There 6. Enter 6 as the starting number. Then click OK. The list updates the numbering. To use a symbol as a bullet, select the existing bulleted list. Then on the Home tab, click the bullet drop down arrows. Select bullets and numbering. A dialog box appears. Then click Customize. The symbol dialog box appears. Select the desired symbol that you need and click OK. The symbol appears as the selected bullet option, then click OK. The selected symbol appears as a bullets, right? To show the ruler, click the View tab. Click the ruler checkbox. The ruler appears. To change bullet spacing, handing intent marker, the text moves along the intent marker. an image, select Format tab, click the crop command, select crop option, then cropping the handles. Slowly you can move it. So click and drag a handle. So that's your wish. The image is cropped. Click the crop command. Then deselect the crop tool. To crop an image to shape, click the crop drop down arrow. Click crop to shape option. Then select the desired size, that is shape. The image is cropped in selected shape. Click the correction command. Move the mouse over the brightness and contrast. You can see live preview. To remove the background from an image, click the image, click the remove background command. Click the mark area to remove command. Area mark to remove now. Slowly you mark the area. Yes, slowly you can mark it. You can select it like this slowly. Yes. Click keep change command. The background is removed. Today content is over. We'll meet in next video. Thank you. Take care. Be safe. Be happy and make others happy. Bye-bye.